have such sights to show you.
Mr. Nibbles thinks you should get your wife a laptop.
He's a reindeer. What does he know about laptops?
Never question Mr. Nibbles.
Hi, everybody. Hey, never question Mr. Nibbles or the drunk kitten Tribbles. Please hit the subscribe button. And if you're thinking about what to get me for Christmas, I like beers.
Hi everybody, welcome to Ultimate Radio. Well, when Black Friday comes, I guess it is time to do or to start your Christmas shopping. Now, I think you all know what to get for the drunk kitten, but at any rate, today we are going to cover Steely Dan's Black Friday.
That's a pretty scary album cover, boss. I don't think it ended well for Katie.
Well, you do know, kitten, that Katie hooked up with our friend Slim from over on Ultimate Radio Show. I think it worked out okay for Katie, maybe not so much for Slim.
Yeah, it's pretty sad, boss. I think those two had a love-hate relationship, but I know that Slim sure liked his beers.
This was from Steely Dan's fourth studio album, Katie Lied, from 1975.
Hey, boss, I hope you're not going to share any more of your giant grasshoppers or bug monsters during this review.
Actually, no, kitten. This is just going to be a straight-up review video, just giving our opinion on it. It really has nothing to do with grasshoppers or katydids or whatever that thing is on the cover. Alright, actually this song doesn't refer to shopping at all, as you can probably tell by the lyrics. It refers to the stock crash, when the stock market crashed in the early 1900s.
Alright, boss, yeah. Jeff Skunk Baxter actually decided to leave the band before they did this album. He wanted to tour, and Becker and Fagen didn't want to tour anymore, so they did this whole album mainly with studio musicians.
Right, kitten? Yeah, all sorts of notable people were on this album. You had Larry Carlton on guitar, Hal Blaine, the famous studio drummer, played on this. Michael McDonald did some backing vocals on this album also, as well as former members of the old Steely Dan band.
All right, boss. Yeah, this song actually came in at number 37 on the Billboard Top 100. Also, just some history. Walter Becker and Donald Fagen, along with our friend Elliot Randall, were actually on the songwriting team for the band Jay and the Americans.
Right, kidding? Yeah. I remember when I had Elliot's phone number when he still lived in New York before he moved over to the UK. Yeah, he told me that story one night about how they used to work for Jay and the Americans. You know, that was like long before Steely Dan days. But anyway, let's go ahead and finish this one up.
When Black Friday comes, I'm gonna dig myself a hole. Gonna lay down in it till I satisfy my soul. Gonna let the world pass by me. The Archbishop gon' sanctify me. And if he don't come across, I'm gonna let it roll. When Black Friday comes, I'm gonna stake my claim. I guess I changed my name.
Well, Black Friday did come. It's today, different Black Friday, of course. But moving on, what's going on, kitten?
All right, boss. Yeah, I just want to remind everybody to go check us out on Facebook, Ultimate Radio. Hey, and check out that video we did yesterday about Bill Lorden. It was really cool. But now it's Black Friday, and I'm going to see if anybody's got sales on some beers.